Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the stem stitch thread saver mode. Okay, so we're going to start from here, from the bottom, bringing our needle up from the back of my fabric all the way up. My next stitch is here to the right, and here I'm going to leave a little loop. I'm going to hold it with my finger in my neck, and I'm going to bring the needle from the back in the center of that previous stitch that I just made and loose the loop. Now my next stitch right here, keep your finger just like this so you can hold the loop and bring your needle up from the center of that stitch